Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, I will be getting my first ever gunpla. So, ito special to kasi I worked with Mike Silbor. So, he's one of the best customizers and builders I've known in this space. And he actually customized, built, and repainted this for a competition. Linagyan pa niya ng mga malulupit na LED lights. So, pupunta tayong shop, titingnan natin, and I am so excited to have my mind blown with this piece. Sana manalo siya. He's entering it into a competition. So, fingers crossed, sana manalo to. However, before we head on over to Green Hills, to unbox Green Hills, malapit na ang Lazada 99. And one of the questions that you guys asked me in a previous Q&A was, ano yung plano kong bilhin sa 99 sale ng Lazada? So meron ako mabilis na list na ginawa. Kwento ko lang sa inyo yung mga plano kong bilhin. Unang-una sa lahat, when it comes to sales like this, you really make savings when you buy your essentials or consumables. Yan yung mga bagay na gagamitin mo naman talaga, regardless if you buy it on sale or not. So these are your toothbrush, shampoo, deodorant, sabon, panlinis. So yun, bibili ako na madami nun. And I want to load up for the rest of the year. So kinumputa namin ni Mrs. yan, since malaki yung sales, malaki yung savings talaga siya na legit. So yun yung first category. The second category is of course luho. So ito yung mga plano kong bilhin na weird. So the most expensive stuff that I'm planning to buy is the Razer Anzu Smart Glass. So I'm getting this via Lazmall on Lazada para 100% na legit siya, tsaka may money back guarantee pa yan pag may problema. I'm also getting a Snorlax pouch. Wala lang. Spirit animal ko si Snorlax. Magkamukha kami. Anyway, pagkarason, I'm also buying from their Laz Global. So yan yung mga stuff na pwede mo bilhin from outside the country. So I'm getting a Chicago comb comb. Kita nyo naman yung buhok ko, sobrang gulo palagi. So this is one of the better combs that you can get. And a Snaky Snack plushie for the wifey. So yan yung mga plano kong bilhin for the upcoming Lazada 99 sale. And I'll do another vlog pag dumating yan and more when the items arrive, and I'll do an unboxing, a haul sharing with you guys. So anyway, with that out of the way, tara, sama-sama tayo, punta tayo unbox Green Hills. Let's check out what's there.
Oh, game, sige, pakita natin.
So, here we go. Literal unboxing.
Grabe.
So if you're gonna move him at home, I would suggest moving him like you would a human being.
And you repainted the entire thing?
The entire thing, including the internals. Like, for example, if you can move him closer, like you can see everything inside.
Grabe. So what lights up when you light it up?
Ito, here we go.
Ito na yung light up reveal.
So everything, all the clear parts will light up. Also, that's enough, sorry. There you go. And then, the back.
Sa'yo galing yan.
Ay, Sir
Shout
Carlo.
out sa Happy Hive, by the way.
Ganda, grabe.
May ilaw, pati likod.
The backpack lights up as well. And, syempre, yung
Boom!
there we go.
Yun, oh.
So ito, even the weapons has the same style of paint job with the Gundam and the gun as well.
So you painted the gun?
Everything is painted. So,
Sick.
Pareho silang may faded, worn look, but it's not damaged. It doesn't look damaged, but it looks like used.
So guys, yan yung pose niya. Meron siyang parang katana dito. Tapos nandyan yung mace. Tapos umiilaw, oh. Grabe. From the lights, from the helmet, to different parts of the body. So pinasok na natin to, di ba, sa competition?
Yes, I entered it yesterday.
So abangan nyo, pag kailangan namin ng votes, kailangan namin ng tulong nyo guys. Di ba? Sobrang ganda. Bro, plug mo naman yung IG mo ulit.
If you guys need to find me, you want commissions done on Gundam and Dragon Ball done Presto figures, just find me at Mike S5186.
Link down below. Bro, salamat. Thank you.
Sobrang panalo yung gunpla, di ba? As in talagang, mind blown. Sana manalo. I'll link down below to the Instagram account of Mike Silbor in case you guys want to work with him for your own project. Now, before we close the vlog, two more things. Una-una sa lahat, I just want to give a quick shout out to DG Gadgets. I got these MagSafe power banks from Apple from him. So they actually work really simple. So you get your phone. So kunin natin ang aking telepono dito. Then if you want to charge it, ganun lang. Yun na, power bank na yun. Magkadikit, matibay siya, tapos it charges. sobrang, alam mo yun, hassle-free. It doesn't charge as fast as normal wired chargers, but if you just want something that's convenient, that's easy to use, sobrang panalo siya. I'll link down below to their IG. So I got two para lagi akong 100% may battery. Pero sobrang convenient yun lang talaga. Tapos if you want to charge it, it has a lightning port as well. And last but not the least, alam nyo na yun, meron tayong isang package of NBA cards waiting to be unboxed. This one is from, I think it's like a National Treasures case break. So, sumali ako and I picked Atlanta and I also picked Brooklyn Nets. Ang goal ko talaga was the hope of getting a Kevin Durant signature in his Brooklyn Nets outfit. Kasi papakita ko sa inyo later, meron na akong Kevin Durant na signature with his Thunders outfit. So, tingnan natin. Okay, pasensya na guys, magulo lang mesa ko. But this is the card that I was talking about. Ito yung una. So this is, ano ba to? Patch Auto. Correct nyo na lang ako kung mali ako Immaculate 27 out of 75. Kevin Durant. On-card Auto Thunder. So I want to get his Golden State Auto as well and his Brooklyn Nets Auto. So at least one down na tayo. Ganda. Sobrang lupit ng card na to. So I'll try to get, kung meron sa inyo may Golden State Auto, ni Kevin Durant, please let me know. Comment kayo sa baba or PM me on Instagram. Now, ito yung loot ko. So this one is from Horseman Breaks. Brother Vas, maraming salamat. I always join his breaks kasi sobrang swerte ko sa kanya. Hot hands tong dude na to para sa akin. So anyway, so ito yung loot natin. So again, Atlanta tsaka Nets, di ba? So yung Atlanta ko, sobrang tiba-tiba guys. Kasi number one, we got this one-of-one Trae Young. So this is what you call, ano ba to, printing plate. You received an authentic printing plate from 2019 to 2020 Panini Treasures Basketball. Black plate, Game Gear 1-of-1 na Trae Young. PC natin si Trae Young, so sobrang panalo. And then we have another one, which is another 1-of-1 Cyan plate naman. This one was used for 2019 to 20 Immaculate Collection Basketball Trae Young Cyan plate. Yan, no? 1-of-1 din to. So, meron tayong dalawang, parang nakakuha tayo ng 2-of-2. Ganun ba? But wait, there's more. Meron pa tayong isang Trae Young na nakuha. Sobrang sulit yung break na to for me. As in, bihira mag-isulit ang National Treasures for me. In fact, I've joined 2 case breaks na all-ats. As in, 0. Wala akong nakuha. But ito, Trae Young, 77 out of 99 National Treasures base card. Kapal din ng card, Tingnan nyo. Sobrang kapal niya. And then, ito yung sobrang panalo. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, I wanted like a Kevin Durant auto? Boom! Binigay. Binigay siya. Yun nga lang, redemption. So I don't know how long it will take. So pag ganito, you scratch it off, you put it on a website, and then they will ship it. So ito, Kevin Durant, National Treasures Signatures. O, di ba? Who would have thought ibibigay? Bihira yun yung hiningi mo, tapos talagang binigay sa box break anyway. So yan, sobrang sulit yung break na to. National Treasures. Vast Horseman Breaks again. Maraming salamat, brother. So that pretty much wraps up today's episode. By the way, yun yung chair na lagi nyo nakikita ko saan ako nakaupo. Yun. Yung black-orange na yun. Tapos yun yung bear brick na color blue na lagi din yung nakikita sa background ko. But anyway, that's the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, stay safe, stay blessed, stay healthy, stay awesome. Please, God bless. What's up? Boom.
So guys, ito bubuksan natin isa pa. Malay mo makaisa pa tayong blank slate. Kasama natin si Migs. Migs, kaway naman dyan. Dito sa Happy Hype. And si Sean, ang aking videographer, kargador, ano ba, e-commerce, digital marketing, designer, creative director, razor, sales manager. O yan, lahat yan. So, thumbnail maker. Thumbnail maker. Video editor. So, ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 7. 7 ba? Feeling ko wala kasi posible 2 in a row. Imagine mo yun, dalawang box.
Okay, you'll never know.
I-ano na natin, para isang ano na lang. Isang sunod-sunod. Ayaw. Feeling ko nandito yung special. Ayaw niya magpabukas eh.
I can feel it!
Tsaka ito yung box na nasa pinakatago.
Pinakatago. Parang ayaw magpakuha.
Yung ayaw niya magpakuha. Ay! Pucha.
Baka nandyan.
Nako, din
Kaso
yun.
7.5 na yung ano.
Hindi yan. Hindi naman nasira eh.
Hindi, designed to drop yan.
Sana talaga may isa pa eh, no? Kasi kung may isa pa talaga, grabe.
Grabe yan.
Wait lang ha. Lapit na. So lahat ng packs. John Wall. Di na natin ipipinta. Dire-diretso na. Stephen Curry. Kyrie Irving. Meron tayong Modern Strokes. Zach LaVine. Rookie card ni Emmanuel Quickly. Derrick Rose. TJ Warren. Paul George. Giannis na Artistry in Motion. Ganda tingnan. The wrong Hornet. Vernon Carey Jr., Zach LaVine ulit, Anthony Davis, Rudy Gobert. Oh, ito maganda. Acetate na RJ Hampton, Patrick Will, RJ Barrett, DeAndre Ayton, Zion, Derrick Rose. Oh, parallel. So numbered. Ano to? 78 out of 99 na Derrick Rose. Meron tayong Isaac Okoro, CJ McCollum, Damian Lillard. Mukhang wala tayong blank slate ngayon eh. So hindi ko kukunin si Levi. Gordon Hayward. Ito yung blank slate kahapon. Jason Tatum, Modern Strokes, James Wiseman, Donovan Mitchell, Jokic, Durant. Acetate natin, Obi Toppin, Precious Achua. Ito na yung last. Luka.
PC mo yung dulo.
Oo nga eh. Wow! Puntik na! Puntik na! Puntik na!